Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your chest. Whether you're doing push-ups regularly or pushing your child on a swing at the park, your chest muscle is going to become really sore, stiff, and carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're going to do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the wedge for my chest, but you can use whichever you like for that particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow us to personalize the usage for our own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding down the power button. Then set your treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you. I recommend the reverse grip because for me it feels the most comfortable and it places the least amount of strain on my shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Step 3, now for the fun part. Using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your chest, we recommend the following protocol. You'll apply the Theragun for 30 seconds in total, in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then to the insertion of the muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally, go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from one end to the other. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax your chest, we recommend using your Theragun all over your muscle, back and forth, side to side, for 2 minutes total. This is going to promote elasticity, facilitate blood flow, and combat the buildup of lactic acid. You're going to feel great. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speeds, attachments, and grip combinations to find the one that works for you.